Greetings everyone. Today we are not in the classroom. Well, we are, but in our imagination. We are here. This is Gardens by the Bay, one of Singapore's most famous places. Have you been here before? I hope so, because it is absolutely, say it with me, beautiful. Today we are going to learn 3 very useful phrases. Phrases you can use when you visit a beautiful place. Are you ready? Let's begin. Before our phrases, we learn 4 new words. Repeat after me. Word 1. Garden. Garden. A garden is a place with plants, flowers, and trees. Gardens by the Bay. It is a very big garden. Garden. Say it with me. Garden. Word 2. Plant. Plant. A plant is a living thing. It grows in soil. Trees are plants. Flowers are plants. Plant. Say it. Plant. Word 3. Beautiful. Beautiful. Beautiful means very, very nice to look at. 3 syllables. Beautiful. Say it slowly. Beautiful. Word 4. Suggest. Suggest. When you suggest something, you give an idea. I suggest we go to Gardens by the Bay. Suggest. Say it. Suggest. Excellent. Now, our 3 phrases. Phrase 1. What is that plant? Look at this. This is a super tree, a very tall structure in Gardens by the Bay. If you don't know what something is, you ask, what is that plant? What is that plant? 4 words. We use that when something is far from us, near this, far that. Remember this. Listen to me, then you say it. What is that plant? One more time. What is that plant? Very good. Phrase 2. Now look at the flower dome. So many colors, so many flowers. What do you say? You say, it is so beautiful. So makes the feeling stronger. It is beautiful. It is so beautiful. Hear the difference. Now you say it. It is so beautiful. Wonderful. Phrase 3. When you visit a beautiful place, what do? You take photo. You say to your friend, let's take a photo. Let's is short for let us. It means we do something together. Let's eat. Let's take a photo. Say it with me. Let's take a photo. Perfect. Now, let's put all 3 phrases together in a short conversation. listen first. Then we will practice together. Wow! Gardens by the Bay is so big. Yes, and look over there. What is that plant? I think it is a super tree. It is so beautiful. Yes, it is amazing. Let's take a photo. Good idea. Say cheese. Cheese. Did you hear our 3 phrases? Let's find them together. What is that plant? It is so beautiful. Let's take a photo. Now it's your turn. Practice with a partner. Student A, you are the visitor, and student B, you are the friend. Ready? Go! Wonderful work, everyone. Quiz time. 3 questions. Think carefully. Question 1. You don't know what this plant is. What do you ask? What is that plant? Great. Question 2. The garden is very, very lovely. What do you say? It is so beautiful. Nice one. Question 3. You want to take a photo with your friend. What do you say? Let's take a photo. Excellent. Full marks. You are wonderful students. Today, we visited Gardens by the Bay together in our imagination, and we learned 3 very useful phrases. What is that plant? It is so beautiful. Let's take a photo. Remember, when you visit a beautiful place, use these phrases. You will sound very natural and very confident. Coming next in our lesson, we are going somewhere very important. A Singapore school. You will learn how to ask about subjects, borrow things from a friend, and talk about your timetable. Very useful for students and teachers. Don't miss it. See you next time. Ta-ta!